Alright guys, welcome back to another Lady Savage video. It's been a while since I've done a video, but luckily for all of us, we have a series coming up that I'm really excited about. I recently had a client who I've been doing workouts for her for about 8 or 9 months, just kind of doing progressive overload and changing up things, you know, just to add a little bit more fun and make it a little bit challenging. So recently she said, how do I make my own workout? If I want to move forward, you know, how do I actually structure it? And I thought that this is a great way to really set up a video series on exactly that. I always want my clients and everyone to know how to do things for themselves and not just me doing it for them and constantly just keeping them hidden with the facts, but actually say, hey, you can do this if you want to. You have all the tools that you need. So this is going to be, there's going to be another 6 videos following this one, and I'm going to kind of break down to you guys what those videos are all going to be about and how we're going to break down how to make your own stinking workout, because we don't have to follow someone's broken down plan or program or whatever. And if you prefer that, there is tons of workout programs online. I have several on my website, so you have that option. But if you have been wanting to kind of make your own, this is a really great way to break it down for yourself. So there's going to be a 6-part series. The first one is just going to be about the importance of warming up and cooling down, what you're really looking for, what kind of stretches you're going to be doing, things like that. The next thing I want to really talk about is intensity, volume, progressive overload, why we do those things, kind of what your overall goal is and how you wrap that into a workout. Along with that will kind of come with the sets and reps that you're going to be doing for whatever your goals are. So everyone's going to be a little bit different, depends on what your training style is and things like that. So we'll break down kind of why you would do certain sets and reps and how to kind of add to those or take away as needed. The next thing we'll go over is going to be how to break up the body parts per workout. So you'll hear some people say, I do a push-pull leg split. I will do chest and shoulders together. I'll do back and biceps together. And a lot of people wonder, well, why do you do that? Why don't you do your leg day with your shoulder day, or you know, whatever it is. So I'm going to explain to you guys why certain body parts should be put together in workouts and why maybe they should be separated out. After that, we're actually going to break down what you should be doing per body part. So a lot of people think like, oh, biceps, so I'm just going to do a bunch of curls. There's several muscles per body part that you have to emphasize and make sure you're hitting all of those with the right exercises. So really breaking down those muscles and figuring out why exactly certain trainers will choose certain movements per every workout to make sure that you're hitting each of those muscles within that body part. And then the last thing I really want to go over is deloads and recovery. People do not pay attention to this enough. Everyone needs recovery time. If you're going hard enough and regularly enough, you're going to need a deload week. You're really going to need time to rest. And I feel like even Robert and I, you know, we are like, stay savage, go, 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 you know, constantly hit your workouts. And not enough people are talking about what you need to be doing for recovery, when you need to be doing a deload, and when you need to kind of like take a step back for your body and let it do the recovering it needs so that you can build it more. So I'm actually super excited about this series. I hope you guys are excited. If you guys have questions along the way, please comment them below, and I'm going to read those, try to put those into the next several videos as well. So click the subscribe button if you want to see the next 6 videos. I think we're going to be putting one out every week or every other week. So stay tuned, and we'll figure out how to get you guys to make your own workouts.